intend to move to Spain, and there is some concern, especially around the wealth tax and stuff like that. What planning opportunities you think they should be considering?
Well, basically the protection of their assets, mainly because whenever they become Spanish tax residents, they are going to be taxed on their worldwide incomes and well, basically on everything, and their assets will be taxed under wealth tax. I mean, we normally recommend working with, if you have a lot of incomes and you have a lot of properties, we always recommend using companies, because rather than you coming here and if everything is under yourself and you are taxed under that and you have like really high incomes, as mentioned before, well, as mentioned during the presentation, in some parts of Spain, for example, here in Catalonia, people can pay up to 54%, which is really high. And then if you have a lot of properties, then the wealth tax that you're gonna pay, it's gonna be like very, very high.
Right. So one of the key planning strategies, potentially from a wealth tax perspective, might be using a company structure, because if you have a company outside of the US, your investments in that company doesn't get used in the calculation.
Yes, that is correct. Or the other way would be moving to Madrid, where there's no wealth tax. But but that doesn't assure you that in the future that the tax authority, the Spanish government, they say, okay, now we impose wealth tax in Madrid as well. So
exactly. And just for the record, Spain does not recognize trusts, because in common law jurisdictions, it's a common tool.
In Spain, the figure of the trust is not recognized. I mean, we have had many cases for people from the US or UK that they had the trust structure, and here it is not recognized. It goes directly to the main beneficiary of the trust. So,
gotcha. Okay.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at HTJ.tax and live that international life.